Brand manager and product marketing manager, they sound similar. They're set in the same broad marketing universe. Sometimes they even work on the same product, but their thinking, responsibilities, and required skills are very different. And if you're confused between these two roles, choosing randomly can seriously slow down your career growth. So, in this video, I'm going to play it down what a brand manager actually does, what a product marketing manager actually does, the core skills required for each of these roles, and most importantly, who should choose which path. By the end of this video, you should have much more clarity on which role fits your personality and strengths. Let's start simple. A brand manager builds the brand. A product blocking manager drives the success of a specific product. That sounds second, but it changes everything. Let's go deeper. A brand manager focuses on long-term perception. They think about what does this brand stand for? What personality does it have? How do customers feel when they interact with it? And how do we stay consistent across campaigns? Their time horizon is long term. They care about brand awareness, positioning, and storytelling. They're asking questions like how do we make this brand memorable for the next 5 to 10 years? Now compare that with a product marketing manager or a PMN. A PMN focuses on product success in the market. They think about who is this product for? What problem does it solve? What is the value proposition? How do we launch it successfully? And why should someone choose this product over competitors? Their time horizon is much more product cycle driven. They're asking questions like how do we ensure this product wins in the market right now? Now, here's a very important difference. Brand managers are brand first. Product marketing managers are product first. A brand manager might oversee multiple products under one single brand. A product marketing manager, however, might obsess over one product and its adoption, messaging, pricing, and positioning. Now, let's talk about day to day work. A brand manager works closely with creative teams, advertising teams, media planners, performance marketers, and agencies. They ensure that the brand voice, visual identity, and messaging stay consistent everywhere. A product marketing manager works closely with product managers, face teams, customer success, growth teams, founders. They translate product features into benefits. They enable sales teams with messaging. They also define GTN or go to market strategy. They create launch plans. They analyze user feedback and refine the product positioning. Now, let's talk about the skills. If you want to become a brand manager, you need strategic thinking, consumer psychology, storytelling, brand positioning frameworks, strong communication, ability to manage multiple stakeholders. You need to think in narratives. If you want to become a product marketing manager, you need deep customer understanding, analytical thinking, product knowledge, go to market strategy, competitive analysis, clear, benefit driven messaging. You need to think in value propositions. Another big difference is measurement. Brand managers generally track brand awareness, brand recall, share of voice, market share, long term brand equity. PMNs, on the other hand, track product adoption, activation, retention, revenue contribution, launch performance. Brand managers ask questions like are we building long term brand value? On the other hand, PMNs ask is this product being adopted and is it growing? Now, let's make it more practical. Choose brand management if you enjoy big picture thinking, if you like storytelling and psychology, if you're interested in building brands that last decades, and if you see yourself in leadership roles shaping brand identity. And you should choose product marketing if you enjoy understanding how products work, you like solving user problems, you're analytical and structured, and you enjoy launch strategy and working closely with product teams. Brand management is more emotion plus perception driven. Product marketing is more value plus problem solution driven. Neither of them is better than the other. They're just very different mental models. Now, here's why this matters. At Young Urban Project, we had both a live brand management program and a live product marketing program. And we often see people getting confused on which part suits them better. Now, if you love brand storytelling but hate product features they dunks, PMM roles might frustrate you. If you love product mechanics and value propositions but don't care much about the brand personality, prem management might feel abstract to you. The goal is alignment because when your personality matches your own, growth becomes faster. So before choosing the program or a career path, ask yourself this: do I get excited about banking grants? Or do I get excited about launching and scaling products? If you're serious about transitioning into either of these roles, check the links in the description. Both our brand management and product marketing programs are built to give you hands-on skills, real frameworks, and career clarity, not just theory. And if you're still confused, comment and tell us your background and what do you enjoy more. Is it strategy, storytelling, analytics, or product thinking? And we'll guide you. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button and share it with someone who might need this. And make sure to subscribe to Young Urban Project for more career focused marketing content. And I'll see you in the next video.